Hello, and today we're going to be talking about, we're not going to be talking about this digital cordless printer, which is excellent for putting on jars, or even this funnel here. What we're going to be, or this thing for sucking down jars. We're going to be talking about jarring today, and I want to show y'all something I found. Look at this. Look at that. Isn't that great? Now, you can put in your lard, like I said, if you go to try to do that, it's going to spill everywhere. But look at that. Oh. Yeah, isn't that great? Alright, I'll put this in the link below, plus all these other things. And check us out, check out our webpage at randymeeks.net. And check out our Amazon page, Amazon store for all these items. Plus this cool, I'll link this. Can't remember where I got it, but look at that. Isn't that great? Big old massive funnel. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll see you around the house.